My English speaking vlog. Hi guys, what's up guys? What are you doing guys? Good evening. From Kansas. Otter up here. So, nobody here available in this morning. Lots of car here and in front of me. Lots of car here. So silent in the morning. So silent in the morning. You know, morning is the best way that. You know that anywhere in the world. The weather is so cold and silent. Fall here anywhere. And something hot now going on. You know, today is the weather in the Saudi Arabia. 41 already. Now I have seen the weather. You know, here, if you want to do job outside, it's very hot. It cannot be here. How much hot here in the weather see? Did you see my behind? Did you see my behind? Car and weather and sunset. So I'm a sunset here. You know, I can't make a video for the sunset. It's still now very hot. You know, like that. Very hot today weather. And you guys just to share with me. What is the weather in your country? Is this like this earlier we? 41 40 to 46. You know, this month is started from the weather. 41 42. And we'll go in on 46. 48 and 50 degree like that. Nobody can't work outside here. It's very problem drawing job outside. You know that. See, very hot here. And I am in the shelter, and the tea is the tea. So, here we you know. See, silent in the morning. It's very silent. If you want to come to the Saudi Arabia for visiting, you can come here. A lot of people came and visit here. Here have a Muslim Makkah Madinah. If you want to go once a try, Madinah you cannot go back your room. It's very beautiful mashallah. You can just say mashallah and Makkah for Umrah you. You see your, what have you done in your life scene? Just to forbid. Forget the evil said. You know that come within a. For Umrah house. Everybody come here for house. Umrah house. You know that. I'm going to make short video in the Saudi Arabia. You know, my video. Watch lots of country. And everyone should support me and I will go ahead. Everyone should support me and subscribe my channel. Everyone should support my channel and subscribe my channel. Like, comment, share with your friend there, so I will get inspired. Everyone should inspire me. That's why I'll make lots of video. And I'll get inspired. So, please subscribe my channel, and like, comment, share, and press the bell icon for next video. I can make the video for you guys. And if you wanna follow my Facebook page, just follow my Facebook face at Learn English with 68. This is my Facebook face, and my TikTok also named this Learn English with Amin, and my YouTube land. Top things English. You just to guys. Subscribe and follow and stay with me. Keeping task kai. Bye Mark Shalom guys. Bye Marshall, I'm from Saudi Arabia. Share, like, subscribe.